Okay guys, so guess what? Place I go on. More introducing everybody to my little niece. She's taller than me, but she's my little niece. Her name is Jada Kingdom. No, Jada, not Kingdom. Alright? So things are going. You see me? Bro there, sir. Big chef there, sir. Hi, money, daughter. Mr. Bro. Where chicken there? We just kill that chicken, guys. Just murder the chicken. See all in that? See knife, right? Still a bleed. That's all like my son. My oldest niece is here. One of the top chef. And she has the sous chef. She in charge of make sure say his father do the right thing. That's why I'm on the apron. You see me? Day one, we go to school together. Jerome. You see me? Straight. Yeah, man. So I live in Florida and I live in Jamaica too. So in there I can help me. My chef too, so I can make sure the food tastes good. Bro from Florida. You see me? Bro forward from Florida. Them man own airline. You see me? Boss is say, yo, they have food for mommy birthday party. You see me? But yo, somebody will get out of town. Bro, they are Jadis, you see me? Yeah. If we're not even give no promotion, next thing you know, we can't fight. But guys, let me tell you, selective people, if we're not there in Florida, we don't need a mechanic. We can't do anything to a car. Only thing you can do is make a car yet. Him and the man. When you reach out to me, reach out. Next thing you know, you have a bag of work and we can't find it. Yo! Selective people reach out to me, boy. I'm a mechanic. You see me, but we're there. Yeah, man, so we're there, do the right thing. Food I go cook. You see me? You know on the pan. You man on the pan. The boss, they are Jamaica straight from VI, not true? What kind of rib them, man?
Beef rib.
Beef rib, the boss say you are beef rib, island style, man.
No joke.
No joke. So we're there, do the right thing, man. Stay tuned, alright? Okay, guys, so we're there. Guys, let me tell you something before we get all excited, okay? This is my realtor, Dorian store. I know some no yes, we don't know some big him up already. But if you want a house in Jamaica, anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere, this is the man Dorian store, the best realtor in Jamaica. Not in Ochi, not in St. Ann, in Jamaica. And in service. So the man is a genius. Dorian, you have anything you want to say?
My mom can't much of Dorian. My respect to the people and blessings. You can reach out to me. I can give me a call and Denzel will leave the credentials.
Alright. Hi boss, man. Boss. So guys, move me up on him here. You see me? We have my friend from Florida, Charles, laying at the place, straight from Portmore, from Haiti, from Jamaica. You see me? Hold on, Tyrone. Wifey there, so, Kay. Charles' wife. They got myself, sister. You see me? Tyrone, come here, no man, hold on. You see me? So we are getting ready now, because mommy soon forward. My cousin. You see me? My cousin, my police cousin. I'm from Jamaica, you see me? Sometime. Alright. Alright. Respect. Yeah man, so we're there. We are getting ready. You see me, so. We're going to be here now, guys. I'll show you one little part of the decoration. No see a last minute thing, so we just put something together. You see me? See me? That's there. Boss in love right there, so look there. Look there. I sing in her ears. Boss, I sing in her ears. God's on the rail. What below my nose? I'm out. Bugu. So we're there, and it's the final moment. See me there with family, close friends and family. And we adopted some family over here, so turning our blood. One Conrad, you see me? New level sound. Straight from Florida. Alright, that's bro. Alright, that's Can't countryman nowhere. Boss lady from Moby and Nakisha. So everybody is here, guys, to celebrate my mother 68. My mother never have a party yet. I don't believe in a big funeral. So we give them the love and everything right now. Oh, my son. You can go up on the camera? Alright, me have to say, family too, okay? We are dapper. You see me? Family, Florida. Family. You come from Florida. Auntie June. We were in the boardhouse together in the gully, and we're here now. Alright. So we're there, I'm going to pull up any minute now. Charles there with Kay. Some of them camera shy guys. So we have to kind of make it, then start drink and get free up. I want to know my realtor already. I bet in Jamaica. Not in Ochi, in Jamaica. Dorian, we're there. So, what we are going to do, guys, we don't want nobody make no noise. You see me, I just want when we walk in, every light or half. And we just have to say, as in walk in. Surprise! I want to just clap and dance and ray and you see me? Jay there so too guys. See me? One. My niece is here. Come Jada, my niece. She's in charge of all the decoration. We have family, we grew up together. You see me? Wanna forward down now? One of my favorite cousin. You see me, he's here. Kiss me again. Alright.
Love your boy.
Alright. Favorite cousin, we grew up together.
Sure.
Family, we grew up together. Thank you for coming. You see me? Family, this is my favorite cousin daughter. Thank you guys for coming. It means a lot to me. I don't know I love my parents. Shut a man now for my parents. Alright, give it man a money. Me I go too far. But who else? Brianna! Yeah guys, so guess what, moving forward we'll start vlog again and oh God we move see so much people. Yo drop down. Me go get me other niece. I'll get me other niece. Me come. Brenna. Bre. I don't know Abby already again guys. We have to introduce her to this. So this is my little sister. Best friend Abby. Thank you for coming, Abby. All love. No, this is my big niece. Hi. She do 80% of the cooking. 80%. And she just do it with no hesitation and she go hard and it tastes good. Brianna, my niece. Love you. Yes, so. Abby, hurry up, cause can't keep you up on me, eh? Okay, then the pan then wait guys. Them will pull up anytime now. Anytime now. Alright, them will come now. Turn off the light now. Turn off the light. Up over. Alright. Come kind of come down so. Happy 60th birthday party, my mother.
Yeah, tell everybody me.
Love you.
I see this one. Me have to kill your way where Brianna them say they gonna them fat. Look there.
Happy
6 years old.
You never seen nothing like this.
Let's set you up. People are from Florida there, you know.
It's a trap.
Florida.
Oh, what's your doing? Yeah, believe this.
I'm from Trinidad too.
Me don't expect this one at all.
Are your birthday party?
easy done.
That is thing good.
I mean, not even just up. I expect this done. I'll cook you.
I'm gonna rent the chicken. The chicken, I'm gonna rent.
Of course, we can do it. Hey. Cook you do your mama this. Me ask cook you at Brianna then. Well, not easy, man. That's not easy, I mean, we didn't come in for me and say we don't feel good. I mean, I know nothing. Cook you. You do me this?
That's the old file. You're surprised.
I'm glad for it anyway. Me not expect it, but me glad for it. My boy can do me that. But you don't know nothing about it?
Alright, this is a song I dedicate to my mother. As you know already, I don't believe in a funeral. What's that dance to my mother? What's that dance? Dance to the song. Why y'all cry for Auntie Joe? Auntie Joe not cry. Get it, Mama Laura.
60. We look like it.
No. What's that dance, mother? Get it, Mama. Okay, mommy, what's that dance, mother? All but the call. Get it, Mama Lord. Or the other way.
only one son.
It's all their kids, okay?
Okay, and that's why Masha don't call me more so today.
Yeah.
Thank
It's
you.
all their kids.
What I'm putting my name
It was
down.
my idea.
I love you, oh my God.
No idea about that.
You don't never make me feel down, always happy. Oh my God. It's not that bad.
Good. I want that now. I want that now.
Yes, no sir.
Treat to the parents too.
What me see like on all of me sit there. Kiss you, cute. All right.
And then that's
For me, I said, me nah come back to say, all right, you want to know.
Okay, I will share.
Me no respect. Chef Lee there, so. See that? We're eating good. That's my cousin.
you get food where
Right. Chicken.
Don't get that none.
Madness.
Yeah.
That none.
I want to look sexy for the girls. I want to look sexy.
yeah, but the general.
No, you can't do that.
I love it. You're here, bro. Want to say hi to you, mommy, for your birthday. Come here, guys. Come here. My mom have to come out for the foot. Fast.
Big up Mama Lord. Happy 60th. Sorry I wasn't able to make it to Jamaica, but I don't know nothing but love. Mama Lord, big up yourself, aka Lorian. Move. Happy 60th.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful new year of 2025. Your birthday will be super special because of your family coming to celebrate with you. You're going to have a wonderful birthday and you're going to celebrate with everybody in your family.
Okay.
Happy birthday, cousin, and I hope you will live to see many, many, many more birthday, and I wish for you all the best in this 2025. Big up yourself, my cousin.
Yes, my cousin.
One love with you.
Every time.
Happy birthday, Lorraine. I hope you have a wonderful birthday, and I know this birthday is going to be very, very special. We wish we were there to celebrate it with you, but I know your family is going to make it very special, and I hope you guys have a wonderful 2025.
Thank you,
Peace, love, and blessings. One more year upon them.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Sister, sweet to you, man.
Happy birthday,
My first baby.
dear
Sweet.
mama.
Why my sister beautiful?
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Lord.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mama, me day. Okay, hi mom. I just want to wish you again a happy belated birthday. I know I've showered you with love already, but I just want to send this message to you because I know it's your surprise birthday party today, and I'm not able to be there in person. But mom, you know I'm here far away from you, but I'm there in my heart, I'm there in my spirit.
Yeah.
First of all, let me tell you this, girl, you deserve this surprise party, and this is coming from the bottom of our hearts. You know your kids love and adore you, and we cherish you, and you're that wonderful black woman who teach us to be a go-getter and a fighter. And mommy, today we're honoring you. I just want to say hi to everyone who is there now, celebrating with you. Thank you guys for showing up for her, all the family and friends. Well, I'm here, you know, trying to make some bread and butter, and you know I have to do what I have to do. So I just want to send you this message, mom, to let you know that yes, toast to you, keep doing what you're doing, keep shining, keep smiling, and I hope you live to see many, many more. Mwah. Enjoy, and I'll see you
Yes, my
soon.
first man. I love you.
It was the first.
Lord, I love you.
Mr. Ray and me cry.
Love you.
No man, you're crying.
You're not crying. Tears up. You're not crying.
No.
Tears up.
Happy birthday, Lord. 50 plus 10, 6 decades around the sun. I hope your day is filled with love, and as we celebrate your birthday, I wish you nothing but peace, health, happiness, prosperity, more money, more girl, more l'argent, okay? So cheers to you, birthday girl. And remember, you're not old, you're classic, okay? And you got smiles on you today. I wish to see that you live many, many more. And hopefully, I bless God as you do, because it's a blessing, and yours should be a blessing. Happy birthday, Mama.
Thank you, living with the flat stomach. Let me tell you, me feel happy. When you take out the mask, you know, but me don't feel good, you know, we don't feel happy, me feel blessed, me proud of me. Nobody never complain to me and say this or that, I just love.
Give me a show.
Here we go, eh?
Me glad I'm happy.
We have one more surprise for you. Happy birthday, dear Mama Lord. Happy birthday to you.
I get home.
May the Lord bless you. May the good Lord
Like a fire. Okay, mommy, I want you make one wish. Okay? And you don't have to tell me how. But me just want you make one wish. It's the greatest wish you make all your life. You see me, make a one wish and blow out the candle. One
Myself?
blow. Anything you want to wish for.
I wish blessing upon my 3 kids and wish them long life and prosperity.
So why you not wish yourself that?
Yeah, I live 60 already, so I don't know around the wish. I'm in the dance, we live.
You see how my mother great?
Give dance for 60.
That's why I love her.
I look like 60.
No! Hell no! Hell no!
You're like 21, okay? I'm not 60.
I'll make it wrong.
Guys, I'm not 60. Okay? Mr. Guys.
I like that. Alright, make a wish now, mommy.
I wish to bless.
You're not percent.
Just blow out the candle.
Say it to me,
Say it to them and then blow out the candle.
Go on. Come blow out the candle. Okay guys, it's your boy Wanda and welcome to another video. I just want to say Happy New Year to every single one who watch the video, yeah. I want to say a merry belated Christmas to every single one as well. I want to big up all our supporters them from the bottom of my heart. Yes, I'm here in Jamaica. Olivia is not here. I spent Christmas and I spent New Year's here. It was a good look. I tell you from now, yeah? Me vlog piece a piece. You see me? We have some people who I really want to big up. Can you see the title of the video? You see me? Growing up, guys, I'll tell you straight. I never suffer growing up, but we never have no money. You see me? Me never grew up in a luxury. Me never grew up wanting something and getting it, but me grew up needing something and getting it most of the time. So when I try to tell you, say me I come from humble beginnings, I'm just glad to say, as an adult now, me can learn to stay humble, do without, and remain calm. You feel me? There's a saying that says, if you don't know where you come from, you don't know where you go. I strongly believe in that because I see a lot of people who get opportunities, can help family member, who can actually make a difference. But when you talk about mother and father, guys, and from in your life and then do what they need to do for you, nothing wrong with showing appreciation. My mom's birthday was the 14th of December and she turned 60. So I want everybody comment down below. Happy belated birthday, Mama Laura. I can say birthday. Me I go make she see this comment them. Well, she always already comment them anyway. But me have an older sister that works on the cruise ship, and then me have a little sister that live in Jamaica, and then you have me, because you don't know, so me the only boy. Me the only boy, and you don't know. So, I always tell my older sister say I want to do a surprise 60th birthday party for mommy. But nothing was concrete. But last minute, I talk about 3 days before me forward, because I come to Jamaica Christmas Day. 3 days before me forward, when me tell her say, I order some stuff online and it get delivered. You know, same day or next day delivery, some decoration, stuff like that. And me have a lot of go on at Christmas, guys. When you talk about expenses, when you talk about bills, when you talk about, you know, a Christmas season go, you see me? But nevertheless, me talk to my sisters them about it and them agree and them do what they have to do. Big up QQ, big up Marsha. You see me, and me tell them, say, yeah, well, I want to do a surprise 60th birthday for mommy. So me do a text, guys, like last minute, and me send it out to some close friends. And if you don't watch the video, yeah, and you don't never get a text, me have a lot of things on my mind. And it was overwhelming with how much things me got going on in December. On top of that, I was very sick, guys. When me talk about sick, I talk about very sick. I don't know if I flu or COVID or I don't know what, but me sick. And then when I feel so I get better, I'm sick again. And after the little surprise party when I have for mommy at Jamaica, I get sick again the following day when I tell us I'm sick, guys. So bear with me. If you never get an invitation, it was last minute. My brain was not fully functioning the right way because with last minute I have other business I deal with. But anyway, we pull it off. You see me, I'm going to some boy. Sometimes you see when you want to do good in life, sometimes the devil does a work hard. When me tell us say hard, guys, the devil in a work. First of all, we wake up. The party was the party was December 28th. That's a Saturday. You feel me? And while me overseas, me have my gas stove hook up. And by the time we go buy stuff and ready for cook now, buy the cylinder, big up yourself, Wasi. My cousin. We find out say gas stove now hook up properly and the part what me need to hook it up, guys. I go about 3 or 4 places not Ochi and couldn't find it. It a Joe, guys. It a rain a little, so I'm gonna go in the car and go finish that video. Yeah, give me a sec here. Okay, guys, I'm in the vehicle right now. So what me not telling you, say, last minute, I plan everything and I pull it off. And guys, let me telling you something here. This was one of the most fulfilling moments of my life. When me tell you, say, my mother never get a birthday party. I doubt it if my mother ever get a birthday cake. Maybe my sister go link me and say, yeah man, me buy her one time, but we never see my mother with a birthday cake yet. You see me? But I'm not saying she never have one. I go big up some people in that video, guys, because if I text them to me, they not go understand how much it mean to me, you see me? First of all, guys, I want to big up Greg, you see me? Greg, big up yourself. You helped me out big time, you see me? The food was great. Big up my niece, Brianna. Food was great. You do a great job in the kitchen. You see me? Big up my little sister, QQ. You jump around and you get stuff done. Big up Dorian Stewart, my realtor. Me invite him. And when he find out, say, yeah, what help needed, him jump around and him get stuff done. Respect for the gift as well. I appreciate you. Jerome, my childhood friend from them time there. Appreciate the help in the kitchen. You see me? Big up my niece Jada for the decoration. You do a great job. As I tell her, everybody jump around and everybody get stuff done. Everything was amazing. Big up Doshi and CM Speed. Big up everybody who forward. Big up Auntie June. Big up Wasi. Big up my cousin Ryan and his wife. Big up Jay from Florida. Big up Vice and Nakisha on the forward from Florida. On the the place on the left from Mobile on the forward. Come a foot, you see me? Big up Charles family. On their foot on their Portmore on the come down. On jump on the toll on the skate and on the forward down. We just want to big up everybody who have something to do with making this surprise different. You understand? Last minute, for your last minute thing, I'm telling you guys, everything does work out smooth. if you don't get an invite, it's because of last minute. I do apologize. As a big man, my mom was happy, and that's what matters most. My mom ain't happy. She was surprised, and I don't regret none of this. You feel me? It was just a good look. Big up yourself, mommy. Your son love you from the bottom of my heart, or should I say, all three of us love you. We appreciate you. We appreciate you a lot. You see me? Big up yourself, my father. You don't know some love you as well, but on your birthday, so you're not special that day. You wasn't special. I had time, but you're special in real life though. But big up yourself. Thank you again to every single persons who have something to do with this. If me I miss your name, I'm sorry. Still I recover. Kinda still sick. Head feel heavy. See me? But yeah, thank you a lot. Thank you a lot. I appreciate you. Appreciate every single body who come actually, you know, play a part. You understand? Big up yourself, Tyrone. I appreciate you, you and wife, you see me? Love and love alone. Love alone can't win. You see me? Love alone can't win. Believe. You see me? Well, enjoy the video. It's your boy One Done. I'm out.
What they doing, keep on